Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of Kingston actually, and we're going through we're now driving through Central Village in St. Catherine. We're just on the outskirts of Spanish Town, and we are on Mandela Highway heading towards the Spanish Town roundabout, or the Twickenham Park area. Alright, so coming up on the left now, this is where you would enter the residential houses in Central Village. On the right you have a lot of, like, you have the police station, you have the RGD, you have the tax office. So this is a very busy area. Naturally Spanish Town is just a few meters away. Okay, on the left now, that very nice building you're looking at is the NHC office. And I must say NHT is one of the best run government institutions in Jamaica. That's their office, very nice, you can see very modern looking. And then over here now you have Twickenham Gardens, that's an NHT complex. And NHT builds homes in Jamaica, and they also give you loans to buy homes on the open market. Very well run institution, doing a lot of good for Jamaica. Okay, on the left now is the Jose Marte High School. Jose Marte Technical High School is the official name. And then now we're going to turn left here and go on the Spanish Town bypass. Now if we are continued straight and take the next left, that would take us into Spanish Town, the town. But Spanish Town is a very busy place. I think it has the second largest population in Jamaica. It has the largest population outside of Kingston. And it's a very old town. It's been around for almost 400 years. It was the capital of Jamaica when the Spanish controlled Jamaica, and the English took it from the Spanish in 1655. So that will give you an idea of just how old the town is. And I must say, whoever is responsible for maintaining the roads in Spanish Town, they're not doing a very good job. And you can watch the videos we've put up of Spanish Town, and the roads need help. It's much easier to drive on the bypass than to go through the town itself. You only go through the town when you actually have to go in there. Because, and I don't mean the side roads now, you can understand if the side roads are bad, but we're talking main roads through the town. No man, they can do better, honestly. It doesn't have to be that bad. Okay, so this is the Spanish Town bypass. It was built, as the name suggests, to bypass the town. So persons that want to get into and out of Kingston or Spanish Town or Portmore can use this road so that they don't have to drive through the town and deal with the traffic in it. And there is so much traffic that uses this road that sometimes in the evenings it's clogged up with traffic. Traffic is at a standstill sometimes. But we have the highways that can take you into Kingston also Portmore and Spanish Town, so it helps with the traffic. The only problem is the highways, you have to pay to use them. They're toll roads. Alright, so this intersection now is Port Henderson Road. You turn left, it takes you into Portmore. You turn right, it takes you into Spanish Town. All the roads that we're going to pass have these traffic lights or any intersection. If you turn right, it takes you into Spanish Town. And as we drive on this road, you're going to see a lot of tire shops. A lot. And this is how they do it in Jamaica. They just put the tires, like this establishment here on the right. They just put the tires on the road and pile them up so people know if you need any tire work done, just stop there. I think this is the third one we've passed so far. And with the state of the roads, you can imagine why there are so many tire shops. the left again is another tire shop, and as you look at the amount of cars in front of it, so as I said, it's a booming business, especially for this road as you're going into and out of Kingston. And if you notice, this road also has room for expansion. It can easily be turned into a 4-lane road. You see how far away the light pole is from the road? So there's space for another lane. But yeah, I guess it's time that I probably could use it now, because these roads are have a lot of traffic on them. But I guess one step at a time, the government is focusing on this is a main road. I must say the government is doing an excellent job with the main roads. The secondary roads could use a bit more attention, but they're doing an excellent job with the main roads. They're building highways, they're fixing especially the roads into and out of Kingston. So I guess they'll get to this road eventually. I think there are other roads that are a higher priority right now. On the right is a new facility that was recently built. 2 new ones, a pharmacy and it's an auto parts store. So remember, all the roads that you see on the right take you into Spanish Town. On the right where you see that blue stripe building, that's the Food for the Poor location. And then they do a lot it's a charity, and they do a lot to help persons in Jamaica. Alright, we're now coming up to the roundabout, and this roundabout can take you, as we go around the roundabout we'll show you the entrances, but it takes you back to the highway, it takes you to the old harbour. You can continue on this Spanish Town bypass all the way to Angels or the Bogwalk Gorge, and it also can take you into Spanish Town. So we're going to drive around the roundabout and show you the different exits. Okay, now the first left turn you see here, that takes you to the highway, and that's the PJ Patterson Highway. Now this exit coming up here, left, we turn left there, that takes us onto Old Harbour Road, and that takes us to Old Harbour Main Pen Mandeville. Where the truck is going straight ahead, that left takes us to the Bogwalk Gorge, and that's the Spanish Town Road bypass as well. Now this left turn takes us into Spanish Town. And then this left turn takes us back into Kingston. That's where we came from a while ago. The Spanish Town bypass. Okay, so we're going to head this way as we're heading to Mandeville, but we're taking the old road.